My name is David Zemach-Bersin, and I am really excited to announce the publication of a new filmed workshop from Feldenkrais Access, 10 Awareness Through Movement Lessons for Health and Recovery. The workshop was taught by myself and my good friend, colleague, and senior teacher, Carol Kress. The lessons are easily accessible for beginning students as well as experienced ones, and also for people who have pain or discomfort or recovering from injuries. In other words, all the lessons will be of benefit to everyone. Each lesson folds into the next one, and the result is increased comfort, flexibility, improved posture, less pain, and more ease of movement. The lessons in this set can be done individually, or you can do the 10 lessons in the workshop over a period of, say, 3 to 4 days. You'll see a real building of the changes and the improvements. And this is, of course, a very beneficial way to do awareness through movement. There's an incredible variety of lessons in this workshop, including lessons for improving your back, your shoulders, your neck, your hands. There's something here for everyone. If you would like to do a sample lesson from this workshop, please click on the link below.